Okay, this is about the, what is this? What he is asking now? No, they're telling there's a wire AB is there. An unknown resistance X and a resistance of 12 ohm are connected. This much is there. Connected by thick are connected by thick conducting strip. Where is that thick conducting strip? So this is what that thick conducting strip. Let me pull out the diagram. To be frank, most of students could not understand this in exam. That strip idea, what happened, didn't flash them for properly. You take this one, no? So are you seeing the strip? So this everything is there. I think now I'm shading it. Are you seeing the strip? That strip. This is why that thick strip. The resistance of R equal to rho L by A. If the thick strip, what will happen? The resistance will be negligible. Even in the final exam, the diagram was like this only. So maximum students open that strip could not get a proper idea. Some students were thinking that B and C, these are the strips. Huh? Okay, of course, B and C are also stripped, they're connected. A and D are also connected all together. Now let's write this is strip so that will be in comfortable position. Even this B and C are also strip. A battery and a galvanometer with a sliding jockey connected to it are also available. Connections are to be made to measure the unknown resistance X using the principle of Wheatstone bridge. Answer the following. A battery should also be brought. I know Wheatstone. It's like a similar to this one. And next I'll bring a galvanometer. And this is sliding contact. Redraw the total circuit. You have to redraw the total. This X is unknown thing. This one A and D are connected and galvanometer is there. So A, B, C, D. This wire AB will get split up. No? So we'll take P, that one. Cell. So I'll adjust things like this. So this AP and PB, the galvanometer, yeah, it will come like this, 12 ohm. We should bring battery also, no? Battery should be between A and D. Let me do one thing. A and D. Battery should be B and D. B2 P, then P2A. A and D are common. So sorry. This is AD common. Okay, B, C is here. Let's take this one. So between B and D, there's a battery. I think if you can draw Wheatstone network, the problem gets over. Between P, C, there's a galvanometer. From C to P, there's a galvanometer. B to P, P to A, BC unknown resistance, and CD, this is 12 ohm. I think no, anybody can do this. If this length is L, found that no deflection takes place in the galvanometer when the sliding jockey touches the wire at a distance 60 centimeter from A. Sliding jockey, this is J. Okay, this AJ should be 60 centimeter. I think from this will become RBJ, RAJ, and this will be RBJ. And it will not show any deflection. IG will be 0. Get into the problem now. For balancing of this, RBJ equal to RAJ, P by Q equal to R by S, X by 12. So X equal to 12 into RAJ will be 60 by 40.